It is a hot day, middle of summer, in deepest, darkest Cornwall, Lostwithiel to be precise, Restormel Machine and Bracken Machine Shop. But look what we found, this little beauty. Now, 2-axis lathe, so I need to get this right. That's moving along on your Z, little bed there, and we were trying to work out whether that's the X or the Y, but there you go, popping your tools in there. You've also got, well, tool there just doing a bit of chamfering, tailstock there, so just popping that in there to hold your component. And they do use this machine regularly. Now this here opens up the jaws, not on here because it's 4 jaw, but when this is off, there's 3 jaws. That will open that up. What else can I say? I can't really say a lot, but I'm going to ask you a question, set you a challenge. Well, the age, actually, Chris, look at that. Pop your little lens in there, have a little look. So you've got a dry belt, but it's all looking nice and clean in there. Delph's looking after it. So, ow, he jokes. Now, how old is it first of all? Now, Barry, who owns the company, said it was here when he first got here 22 years ago. So it's at least pre-1997 with my maths, and I'm thinking mid-70s. And next question, what type of machine is it? Can you let me know? Because it's got no badge on it, and I'm not dragging it out from over there. So that's it, little blast from the past this week, which I don't really know a lot about, but it's a cracking little machine.